Hello, Mr. King. Mr. King, can I see you for a minute?
Why, you sure can, Rootie. What can I do for you?
How are you on riddles? Pretty good?
Well, try me and see.
Okay, here goes. What is it that has no window but needs a screen? It never sees, but is always seen.
Let me see now. Has no windows, but has a screen, and it never sees, but is always seen. It's a tough one. Oh, I've got it, Rootie. That's an RCA Victor television set. Pretty good, Rootie. I'm glad you brought up RCA Victor because I wanted to tell all your friends about this beautiful 16-inch table model television set that we have right here. This is the Kent. And friends, nowadays, wherever you go, the choice is clearer than ever. It's RCA Victor every time, even where reception is difficult. Those extra powerful RCA Victor circuits pull in the finest, clearest pictures you've ever seen. Now, this one has everything to offer. And of course, as always, as in all RCA Victor television receivers, it has the exclusive eyewitness picture synchronizer that keeps your pictures locked in place. Now, this beautiful table model, the Kent, also has the golden throat tone system, which will enable you to have the exact tone level that you prefer. And Rootie, you'll be glad to know that this Kent also has a phono jack, so that you can plug in the 45 RPM automatic Victrolas that you're always talking about. Mom and Dad, remember, when you buy RCA Victor, you're buying the finest. And with RCA Victor, there are no extras to pay. So keep that in mind. Visit your RCA Victor dealer tomorrow. When you buy Victor, you're buying the best. Make your home an RCA Victor home.
You're getting to be more of a genius every day, aren't you?
Oh, you think so, huh?
Hey, what's the matter? What's the matter with little Nipper? Gee.
Oh, little Nipper's going to school learning how to read, and he wants me to read something to him just for practice. Let's see what he's got. Oh, Western comic. You like this, Nipper? Now, this is a story about a football game between the dogs and the cats on Texas Jim Robertson's ranch way out west. The dogs have the ball. They're on the 10-yard line, the 3-yard line, the 1-yard line to make a touchdown. See, Nipper? And now the dogs have kicked the point after the touchdown. See, Nipper? Uh-oh, the cats have the ball. They're running down the field. They're on the 20, 10, 1. They make a touchdown, and another, and another, and another. The cats win the game. I said the cats win the game. See?
Oh, gracious me alive, Rootie. Doesn't he get mad, little Nipper? Gee, he gets so mad when the cats win the game. Well, I wonder if we could do something to cheer him up.
Oh, I know. Well, maybe if Texas Jim Robertson were here to tell Nipper how the rest of the football games came out.
Hey, well, Texas Jim Robertson is here, and here he is, Texas Jim Robertson. Hi,
Hooray!
You know Rootie and Nipper?
Sure.
Old friends, huh?
Yes, sir. You know, the dogs won the next. Never. And then the cats won. And then the dogs won the next and the next. And...
Now he feels better.
Oh, now that Nipper's happy again, what are you going to sing, Texas partner?
Well, I tell you, Rootie, the best thing in the world that a cowboy likes is eating.
Oh, that's
And
not
when
only
Cookie
cowboys.
yells, "Hi, boys, come and get it." How about that? Oh, men will fall for the call of a big racketeer or the call of an old bunco game. It is true, others too will fall for the call of a dame. Oh, but the best call of all is the chuck wagon call. If you miss it, you sure will regret it. It's the bang rather plan on a rusty tin pan when Cookie yells, "Hi, boys, come and get it." Now, when the last summons comes, it won't worry us bums if we're barred from the heavenly gate, because we'll head down below and there Cookie's call gladly wait. 'Cause the best call of all is the chuck wagon call. If you miss it, you sure will regret it. It's the bang rather playing on a rusty tin pan. When Cookie yells, "Hi, boys, come and get it." Well, folks and boys and girls, I'd like for you to meet an old friend of mine, partner of mine, Joe Phillips, and his window horse, Smokey.
Right now, I guess you mean hello, don't you, Smokey? That's what I thought. He loves applause. Every time you applaud, he'll take a bow. Let's hear you. Can you applaud? I guess after being on TV so many times, you aren't nervous at all, are you, Smokey? Will you tell the boys and girls how many times you've been on television? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 times. Isn't that wonderful? Before going through your fancy tricks, Smokey, would you like to tell the kids just what you learned in Ireland, like kissing the Blarney Stone? Is that the way you do it? How many times did you kiss it, Smokey? That's kissing the Blarney Stone. Now, show the kids how you wrap yourself up. This is what we call a corkscrew. After you get through with your turkey dinner today, I guess most of you will be doing this. The blue ribbon horse stretch. Now, a really tough thing for a horse to do is to get all 4 feet on that little pedestal into what is known as the end of the trail. The end of the trail. Now for something new, Smokey would like to show us what he learned in the South Seas. Do the hula for us, will you, Smokey? The hula hula. Oh, he's been going to Arthur Murray's again. Smokey, how about throwing a kiss to the boys and girls for being so nice? Throw them a kiss, Smokey. There's a kiss to the boys and girls. Well, I guess it's time for you and Joe to turn in for the night, Smokey, so suppose you turn in and hit the hay. Now, Smokey, he does what all good little boys and girls do. He says his prayers before he goes to sleep. Come on, Smokey, will you tell us your prayers? That's a good boy, saying his prayers. Now he's ready to turn in, go to sleep with his bunkmate, Joe. Now they usually get out on the prairie and fold up under that blanket and keep nice and warm. People always ask Joe if they and Smokey sleep together, but he has trouble with Joe. Oh, they're having some trouble now. It seems that there's trouble a-brewing. I guess that's because Joe didn't say his prayers. I guess I better break this up. Come on, fellas, rise and shine. Sit up pretty and throw a kiss to the kid, Smokey. Atta boy. Joe Phillips and Smokey the Wonder Horse.
Smokey. How about throwing her a nice big kiss? Come on, give her a nice big kiss up here. Come on. Atta boy.
Oh, thank you very much, Rosie. He sure is a pretty boy. And Joe, and as much as you gave me that fine introduction, I kind of like to do a yodeling song for all our wonderful boys and girls today. And since this is Thanksgiving, how about the yodeling bird goes something like this. Oh, say, have you heard the yodeling bird singing diddle-hey-oh-diddle-hey-tee? Each day he returns, and that's the way I learned to go diddle-hey-oh-diddle-hey-tee. Now he's a Yankee Doodle bird, but still I understand. Someone in his family tree came from Switzerland. I'm glad that I heard the yodeling bird singing diddle-hey-oh-diddle-hey-tee. The yodeling bird, he don't say a word, just goes diddle-hey-oh-diddle-hey-tee. Each day he returns, and that's the way I learned to go diddle-hey-oh-diddle-hey-tee. Now some birds whistle all day long, and some birds like to sing, but yodel birds just yodel, and he yodels with the swing. If you're feeling blue, he'll cheer you up too with his yodel-hey-oh-diddle-hey-tee. Diddle-dee, 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 diddle-dee. Well, looky here. Hiya, sweetie.
Fine,
I
thank
haven't
you. How
seen you,
you
Jim,
are?
in so long. Nice to see you
Been
here.
a long time.
Oh, it's really wonderful.
That's mighty fine yodeling there, sweetheart.
Oh, thanks a whole lot. I like your singing too, Jim. But you know what? What do you say, Jim, that inasmuch as you're here and I'm here, we both have guitars. Sing a song?
Sing a song? What'll it be?
Oh, you name it.
Crawdad Hole?
Good. Let's go.
Oh, it should be pretty. Now you get a line.
And I'll get a pull, honey.
Sweet thing. You get a line.
And I'll get a pole.
Babe. You get a line.
Well, I'll get a pole.
We'll go down to the crawdad hole. Honey, baby mine. Now I sit on the ice till my feet got cold, honey.
Well, honey, it's cold out there.
Stood on the ice till my feet got cold, babe.
Silly thing to do.
Stood on the ice till my feet got cold, looking down that crawdad hole.
Honey, baby mine. Say, wake up, Jim. You slept too late this morning.
I know, but I'm sleeping.
Sweet thing. Wake up, Jim. You slept too late this morning.
Can I have 5 minutes?
Baby. Wake up, Jim. You slept too late. You know that crawdad man's done past your gate?
What?
Honey, baby mine.
Now yonder come a man with a pack on his back.
Where? I don't
honey.
see him.
Right
Sweet
there.
thing. I don't see him.
Yonder come a man with a pack on his back, babe.
Say, Jim, what's that he's got on his back?
Yonder come a man with a pack on his back, and he's got more crawdads than he can pack.
Honey, baby mine. Say, Jim, how many biscuits can you eat this morning?
Biscuits.
Sweet thing, how many biscuits can you eat this morning?
Maybe 20.
Baby, how many biscuits can you eat? Covered over with molasses sweet?
Oh, all of them, honey.
Honey, baby mine.
Yes, you
Get a line, I'll get a pull, honey. Sweet thing, you get a line, I'll get a pull, babe. You get a line, I'll get a pull. We'll go down to the crawdad hole, honey, baby mine.
Hey, that was all right. We want to say thank you very much to Texas Jim and Rosalie Allen and Smokey the Wonder Horse. How about a rootin' tootin' cheer for all of them, huh?
RCA, doo-dah, doo-dah. I always ride the Victor way all the doo-dah day. I'm always on the go with my little radio. Oh, I like my music and I like it just so. By RCA Victor today. Hey!
Mighty fine, Rudy. Them far sentiments exactly too, partner. No matter how far you're gonna ride the range, you're just never gonna come across a finer looking, finer playing radio set anywhere. Yes, sir. Check that brand, and you'll discover every time it's the leader. It's RCA Victor, Rudy. Now, if you happen to be out riding the range quite a bit, you're gonna be mighty interested in this RCA Victor personal radio. Just take a look at it. Why, it's no bigger than a baby gopher. And it's so easy to use, just as easy as a well-broke-in saddle. And a built-in aerial, no lids to open, and, why, it costs only $29.95. And say, if you happen to be hankering for a holster, it costs a few dollars more. But take it from me, partner, it's the best. It's personal. It's the RCA Victor Personal.
Hey, Rootie Tootie, you're really working today, aren't you?
Oh,
hey, what's
sure
next?
am.
What's next on your great big Thanksgiving Day party, huh?
Why, next is my swaparootie.
Oh, yes, that's right. Swap, 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 swap. Swaparootie. Swap, swap, swap with Rootie Tootie. Swap, 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 swap. Swaparootie. Swap with Rootie Tootie. Hey, what are you going to swap and who with, Root? Huh?
Oh, well, that's up to our next guest to decide. And
Yeah?
Todd,
Yeah?
she's so pretty, well...
Well, what? Well, what?
Well,
huh?
I'd swap my football helmet for her.
Oh, I know what you mean, because that pretty little lady is none other than Kathy Norris, huh? And here she is, Kathy. Hello, Kathy. You know Rootie Tootie, don't you?
Hi, Kathy Norris.
Now, you're going to play Swaparootie with Rootie Tootie?
Yes, Todd, I'd love to swap that tie. That looks
Oh, no,
beautiful.
I have to hang on that because that's my Rootie Tootie
I
tie,
see.
see?
Well, that's-
But I'll sit down here and watch you do Swaparootie.
All right, wonderful. Thanks
Okay.
a lot, Todd.
Okay. Now, Kathy, you're going to help me, okay?
I'd love to,
well,
Rootie Tootie.
I want three things.
Three
So
things.
I want someone with a handball,
Handball,
someone with a hair ribbon,
a hair
and
ribbon,
a boy or girl whose birthday is today.
a boy or girl whose birthday is today.
Uh-huh.
Well, I don't have a handball, and I didn't wear my hair ribbon, and I don't have a birthday today. So what do you say, Rootie Tootie and Nipper, if we... Yes, do you have a handball? But I'll bet you'd like one, wouldn't you? Well, all right, let's take a look over at the Rootie Tootie Rootin' Tootin' section and see if we can't find somebody over there, a little boy or a little girl, who has a hair ribbon. Anybody have a hair ribbon? Come on over, that's
Let's
good.
get the handball first,
And a
okay,
handball?
Kathy?
Oh, it's all right with me, Rootie
Sure, let's
Tootie.
get the handball first.
You mean Nipper's getting a little excited here?
Yeah, he wants the handball.
All right, then we'll get the handball first. You have a handball with you. That's wonderful. Tell me, what's your name?
Kenneth Miller.
Kenneth Miller? And you're willing to swap this handball to Rootie Tootie, hmm? All right, Rudy, there's your handball.
Okay. Now, I want him to take a ribbon.
A ribbon?
Yeah.
All right, have you got the ribbon?
Oh, I think Mr. Deedle Doodle should have that.
Mr. Deedle Doodle's got the ribbon? Oh, how wonderful. You can go, you'll be just in 1 second, all right? Because we're going to have, she didn't mean your hand.
Now, you just hold on to the end of the ribbon.
All right, we'll take this ribbon right here, right? Thank you, Mr. Deedle Doodle.
Now, you just hold on to that. And now I want somebody with a hair ribbon.
Now somebody with a hair ribbon. Well, here is the little girl with a hair ribbon
Oh,
right here.
yes, and a pretty little girl,
That's-
too.
She certainly
she
is. You want to
smile
turn
at
right
the
around
audience.
here, and so everybody
There.
can see how lovely you are. There's your hair ribbon, all right?
Now, will
Fine.
the little girl take hold of the end of a ribbon?
Deedle Doodle, you want to give the little girl a ribbon? What is your name, dear? You turn right around here and tell us, all right? What
That's
is
right,
it?
and now we need someone, a boy
Fine.
or girl whose birthday is today.
And it's your birthday today, right? Well, your mother's birthday. Well,
Oh,
that'll do.
Mother's, oh, that's fine.
Is that all right,
Mother's
Rudy
birthday.
Tootie? All right. Fine. It's your mother's birthday, so what do you have to swap? Oh. Do you have anything to swap, Rudy Tootie, for the...
Do you have
Come right
anything
around
to
here, all
swap?
right? Stand right up here. Do you have anything to swap?
You don't,
Well, you
huh?
better turn.
Oh, well, I'll fix that up. Mr. Deedle Doodle.
Mr. Deedle Doodle? Yes? Here's
Mr. Deedle Doodle. You know what? I think that you ought to pull some football helmets out of this little boy's ear.
Oh, he can't
football
do that, can
pennants.
he?
Football pennants.
Can he pull football
You know,
pennants?
first I'm going to blow my magic kazootie.
That sounds like a wonderful thing to have.
Sure,
on
I'm going to
hand.
blow my magic kazootie first, and then you just watch those pennants fly. I'll say the magic words, ooty ray, ooty tay.
You're amazing, dear. That's
Those pennants are for me, but now how about something for Kathy Norris? Touch the top of the little boy's head, Mr. Deedle Doodle. Oh, you see, a bouquet of flowers for you because you're so pretty.
For me? Thank you very much, and thank you for growing them in the top of your head. That's a wonderful idea.
Now,
Thank
will
you,
that other little boy take the end of a ribbon?
Fine. Will you take the
And then they all start winding them up real fast.
All right, let's see who can wind them up. Do you want to smell my
Wind them
flowers?
up, and then you're on your way to a big,
don't
big
eat them.
treasure.
Please
Let's
don't eat
start.
them.
Wind them up.
Well, you could eat one, maybe.
Oh,
Wind them
Mr.
up.
Deedle Doodle. Mr.
Wind
Deedle
them up.
Doodle.
Wind them up. That's it. Right off there.
Come
okay?
on, start winding, kids.
Wind them up. That's it.
You're on
Real
your way
fast.
to a big treasure
And walk
now.
right off to the center of the stage to get them, all right? There's a great big treasure right over there for you at the end of the ribbons. Nipper, don't fall.
Come on, let's see what you find. It's just like going to the end of the rainbow. Lots of treasures there. Come on. Why, they're almost there. Now, let's see what happens. Oh, look what they found.
Isn't that wonderful?
Bicycles, puppy dogs.
Deedle Doodle, what did you find?
Mr. Deedle Doodle. Oh, I know. He wants to swap his nightstick. Well, you can keep your nightstick. I just happen to have another ribbon left over. So you just take a hold of that ribbon, Mr. Deedle Doodle, and start rolling. Come on. Oh, come on. There's the ribbon. Now let's start rolling it. Wow! Oh, thank you, Kathy, for helping me.
Well, Mary, it's a real pleasure having our own RCA Victor television receiver, isn't it?
It's wonderful. Now we can watch whatever we like without disturbing the children, and...
And they can watch whatever they like without disturbing us.
Well, now that's what I call a well-balanced household. Just like that wonderful balancing act that we just saw. Mom and Dad have their big, beautiful Fairfax combination, and brother and sister have their own RCA Victor television set. The Shelby. Only $189.95, too. Oh, it has the same fine RCA chassis, same golden throat tone system, and a big, clear 12.5-inch screen with every picture locked in tune with RCA Victor's Eyewitness Picture Synchronizer. Make your home an RCA Victor television home, a two-set home. Remember, it costs no more to own the best. Buy RCA Victor television.
This portion of the Rootie Tootie Thanksgiving Day party was presented by Bruno, New York Metropolitan Distributors in cooperation with RCA Victor, world leader in radio, first in recorded music, first in television. We pause now briefly for station identification.
This is NBC Television. You're enjoying WNBT's special Rootie Tootie Party with TV's new puppet sensation Rootie Tootie as your holiday host. And meet your favorite stars on this special Thanksgiving Day video party. And remember to be with us tonight on Channel 4 for a wonderful array of holiday shows. More and more, it's Channel 4. 12:59 Bulova Watch time. The Bulova Watch Company, world's largest maker of fine watches, wishes you and yours a most joyous Thanksgiving.